everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube in 1 second. So basically, step number 1, you have to be trained and need to be able to solve a Rubik's Cube. And in order to do that, you need to watch our video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And all you have to do next is flip it like this. 3, 2, 1. So yeah. It's basically really easy to do this. So, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Bye. And we'll reveal the truth in the next video.